Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial on the most powerful tools out there, Tmux. If you're managing server, coding remotely, or just a more productive terminal workflow, Tmux can change your life. In this video, I will walk you through everything from installations to basic command to the real world example. And let's dive in. All right. Welcome again to our favorite. What we looking right now is our terminal, the black screen. So to start again, every time we're doing this, we're going to install our Tmux. But first, we need to check if our Tmux is already installed in our system. So right now, I'm using an Ubuntu right now for our operating system, which is by default in Ubuntu, Tmux is already installed. But so if I check by this command V and then Tmux, we can see that it's already installed. If it didn't install, we're going to install in it by simply uh, sudo app and then install Tmux. And that's how simple it is how to install. So we're already installing it. So what's next? Right now, the first thing that we're going to know a command here, which which uh, the command is tmux. Okay, you need only to type tmux for us to create a tmux sessions. Okay, so I'm going to type Tmux. Okay, you see the difference? This is normal terminal. So if you're going to Tmux and then enter, you can see there's a line below here, a green line, which is indicated as that we are in the sessions of Tmux. So right now, you can see there's a zero and then zero new pane here. Okay, new Windows. Okay, so we're going to detach on it by simply Control V and D to detach. And then if you're going to check uh, which session is running right now by simply tmux ls. Okay, we have 01 windows that created in this uh, on this time. So right now it's zero, meaning zero. If you're going to didn't name on it, so it starts with zero and then so on, one to two. If you're going not to create a name there, so right now we're going to attach on it, attach again to our session that we created earlier, and then A and then T and then zero. Okay. We're already here in our session. So to rename our session here, we're going to use the command Control V and then dollar sign. Okay, the dollar sign. So I'm going to name it server. You can name whatever you want it to name it, and then there you have it. So from zero, we created the name of session to server. So if you're going to create a new window here, we're going to use Control V and then C. Okay, we have two vash here. So starting from zero array and zero and one array. That is how it works. If we name, if we create a new window by renaming, so we're going to uh, if you're going to switch from other window by Control V and then N and then Control V and P for the previous. Okay, so if you get it, so you can also message on me if you get it. Control V and then P and or N. So to make create a new pane horizontally, Control V and then the comma. I mean the you can check on it on my window right now. So if you want to create a vertical slice, so by simply Control V and then percent sign. Okay. So if you get it, so kindly thumbs up if you created. Now to navigate our pane, so by Control V and then arrow. So you notice it already uh, changed from other pane to another. So the arrow mouse you see here, I change from left to right. Okay, and then for us to resize, we simply Control V and then the arrow. Okay, arrow, arrow, arrow. If you want to resize to left, so Control V, left, left, left. That is how to resize our pane right now. Okay. Again, so if you if you follow it, so you can simply thumbs up. Okay. Right now, so what we're going to do right now, we can create a multiple session here, right? Like I told you, we can create. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new sessions, okay, by simply Tmux and then ls to check the sessions running right now, and then I'm going to first attach again to our server. So check on it. This is the first sessions that we created. We name it server. Okay. The next one is we're going to we're going to detach again and then Tmux. Going up right now so that to save time, and then what we doing right now, we're going to create a sessions right now by simply control tmux new and then s, and we name my second session right now is server 2. Okay, so what we're going to do now, so we want to make it fancy right now in our end by pinging. Okay, we created ping here, and then I have already I add here two virtual box here. So the 4 and 5 IP address, and then just to see the difference right now that we are working right now. So we want to switch back and forth from different sessions. So I'm going to name it this right now. My so for us to make it different, so I rename it my window. So Control V uh, and then server one. Okay. Then going to create and then again a new window. You know the the command Control V and then C, and then I rename it Control V comma and then server 2. Okay, so we're going uh, to ping here to make it fancy. Okay, so I'm running here by pinging in my first session, and then I'm going to switch again from another server, new tab by running htop. Okay, and then this is the htop from the server one, and here in the server two, I'm going to uh, access on the server two, and then okay, so right now I run the other htop on my server. Now we're going to switch from the other sessions by simply ls and then tmux ls and then type again to attach from the server first server that we created. So tmux a and then t and then server. So you can see this is the first sessions, and then if ever that we disconnect from the other, we can reconnect again by a typing attach. Okay. So from two, this is what we running here. So I'm going to control V and then previous or P. So this is the htop that we run from the server for our virtual. So we can also ping here 192.168 and then 60 and then 4. Okay, and so if we switch Control V and then P and then Control V N, so that is it. So that is how the Tmux uh, can be useful to our daily task for monitoring our server. This really use from our end for the server administrator. Okay, so I hope that this again this simple Tmux tutorial will help you guys to our daily tools for as a server administrator or other rating. Okay, so that's a quick overview of Tmux. Once you get hang of it, you will wonder how you ever live without it. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and share and subscribe for more DevOps and Linux tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.